a skincare brand owner and I wanted to send a same WhatsApp message to all these customers whose contact details I have in Google Sheet. But now manually sending personalized WhatsApp message to each and every customer is very time consuming task. In that case, I got up a very amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique solution which allowed me to send the personalized WhatsApp message like this to all my customers one by one in just one click. Sounds magical, right? So here I'm going to show you how you can set up WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow, to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. And to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see the first option as sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you want a demo for the same, select this demo option, and if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same or in the description box below. Not only this, you can also see the amazing features offered by Pabbly Chatflow available over here. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that in this video, we are going to learn how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. But before beginning with the process, let me show you that I have created a WhatsApp template to send this WhatsApp message to my bulk contacts, and here I'm going to use that particular template. If you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too, but to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. So now here to begin with the process, let me show you the template first. So here I have a template with the name skincare test. So you can see this is the particular template message, and here my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp message. If you want to learn how you can create this template for your business, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section. Under broadcast, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the Start Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, select the broadcast type first from the drop down menu as broadcast campaign, and for the name, I'm going to give the name as new skincare test. Alright, so this is the broadcast name. Then comes the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send the WhatsApp messages to all these customers whose data I have in Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And for that, I'm going to access this contact section. Now under this contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of the existing list, and to create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add these details, and to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the same, and as you know that I have a data in Google Sheets format, that means I need to download this data in a CSV format first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I have. Here you can select multiple lists as well. Then comes refine audience. First is exclude contact list. Here you can exclude the contact list to whom you don't want to send this message. And the other one is exclude specific contacts. Here you can exclude the specific contacts to whom you don't want to send the WhatsApp message that are available over here in the selected contact list. Not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active conversation with them than 24 hours. Okay, then comes the message type. You can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send a regular one, select this option, select the message type from the drop down. If you're going to add the message, here on the right side you can have a preview for the same. For now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So I'm going to select my template that I have, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name because variable makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here I wanted to send a personalized WhatsApp message to my customers. That's why I have added a variable in the place of name. And now to make this field permanently dynamic, I am going to access this contact custom fields from the settings section. Under contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields. One is name, mobile number, last name and the first name. If you want, you can create more contact custom fields as per your variables. For now, I'm going to copy the field name for the name and I'm going to add it over here. Click on this done button and you can see your template has been selected. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message by sending it on my WhatsApp number first before sending it to the wider audience. So here I'm going to add my username. Then here I'm going to add my number. And then we're going to click on this send test message. It says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see a new message has been received with my personalized name. So this is how our WhatsApp broadcast is going to look. Now here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant WhatsApp message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select the particular date and time. Make sure you're selecting a future date and time, because if you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Click on this add broadcast and you can see we have successfully scheduled a broadcast over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how you can send the bulk WhatsApp broadcast messages to your contacts. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link, and if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.